How often do we pause to consider the power of inner peace and resilience in navigating the relentless pace of today's world? Imagine harnessing that serenity and strength not only to weather life's storms, but also to instigate positive change across the globe. This is the journey of Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, a global humanitarian and spiritual leader whose teachings have touched millions. Born on May 13, 1956 in Papanasam, India, Gurudev demonstrated a keen spiritual inclination from a young age. By the age of 4, he was able to recite verses from the Bhagavad Gita, a revered ancient Indian text, and by 17, he had graduated with degrees in both Vedic literature and physics. In the late 70s, Gurudev began teaching Sudarshan Kriya, a breath-based meditation technique. The cornerstone of the Art of Living courses, Sudarshan Kriya combines ancient Vedic wisdom with modern sensibilities to promote a stress-free, violence-free society. Over the past 4 decades, Gurudev has inspired millions worldwide to find their inner peace and resilience, proving that tranquility is not only a personal journey but also a catalyst for societal transformation. In the early 90s, Gurudev established one of the world's largest volunteer-based, humanitarian and educational non-governmental organizations. This grassroots organization has grown exponentially, now boasting over 1 million volunteers across 180 countries. These volunteers are the embodiment of Gurudev's teachings, serving as agents of change in their communities and the world. Gurudev's influence extends beyond his teachings and organization. He has been instrumental in peace negotiations in various conflict zones, using his unique understanding of human nature and conflict resolution to broker peace where it seemed impossible. For his tireless efforts, Gurudev has been recognized with numerous awards, affirming his stature as a global peace advocate. The profound impact of Gurudev's teachings is evident in the lives of those he has touched. His insights, shared through books, talks, and videos, inspire personal growth and societal change. They instill the belief that inner peace and resilience are not only personal treasures, but also the keys to a harmonious world. In summary, Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar's journey is a testament to the transformative power of inner peace and resilience. His teachings, rooted in ancient wisdom and adapted for modern times, have ignited a global movement towards a stress-free, violence-free society. His work has shown that every individual armed with inner peace and resilience can become an agent of positive change. Gurudev's life and work continue to inspire millions, reminding us of the incredible potential within each of us to contribute to a more peaceful world.